A lot of businesses struggle to grow online, even when they're posting consistently and running ads. And most of the time, it isn't because their marketing is bad, it's because their brand isn't clear. And that's why we're making this video, to clear up the confusion between brand and marketing and show you how they actually work together. I'm Chiara Campoverde, part of the social media team here at Rootless. I've helped clients generate millions of views by building strategies that reflect their brand, not just follow trends. Now, let's break this down in 4 points. Marketing without branding is like speaking but with no voice. People hear you, but they don't remember you. If you're using marketing to grow your business, but your brand isn't clear, you're just speeding up confusion. Branding is who you are. Marketing is how you tell people who you are. For example, brand is your identity, voice, vibe, values, visuals. Marketing is your delivery, Instagram, SEO, ads, emails. But which one should come first, brand or marketing? That's where most businesses mess up. You don't need more content. You need a brand that people actually recognize. Most businesses launch with a logo and a product and then go straight into posting and running ads. But when people land on their page, they get no sense of identity, tone, or vibe, and that disconnect kills trust. This affects small businesses, freelancers, startups, anyone that's skipping the foundational work. And if you want to inspect your company's brand, here are some common signs. Inconsistent visuals, confusing messaging, low engagement, and no conversions. So how do you actually build a brand that fuels your marketing? Let's break that down. Your brand isn't your logo. It's what people feel when they see your content. Before you post or promote anything, ask yourself, what do we stand for? Is our look and tone consistent? What do we want people to feel? You've made it this far. Now let's summarize everything we've talked about before we move to the next part. Now, ask yourself, does my brand hit this checklist? Brand clarity, emotional tone, visual consistency, and clear positioning. When your brand is tight, your marketing becomes magnetized. It connects and it scales. But when is the right time to focus on branding? And when should you shift into marketing mode? If your content isn't converting, it's not the algorithm, it's your brand. Here's a simple timeline. Just starting out, focus on your brand first. Gaining traction, start layering marketing. Rebranding or stuck, pause and realign your brand. Your brand lives in your story, customer experience, packaging, and tone. Your marketing lives in your content, your distribution, and promotion. If your marketing isn't working, don't just change your strategy, check your brand. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed what we spoke about today on building your brand. And leave a comment down below on what tips you want to hear next time from Rootless Agency.